Hello mga koto, this is Engineer Arky from Home Automated PH and andito po tayo ngayon sa ating makiling project sa May Ayala, Alabang Village, and completed na po yung ating smart gate. So sa ating likuran, yan po yung ating new smart gate system. So yan, convert po natin itong traditional gate ng ating client into a smart gate. So yan, didemo ko po sa inyo. So with the click of a button po, mag-full open po itong swing type na gate. Okay? Okay, so yan po ang kanyang full open. Ay mapapansin niyo po yung ating flashing lamp is nakasync po dun sa ating gate while ongoing operation. No? And with another click of a button, to close the push. Okay, so yan po yung kanyang full close. And meron din po tayong mga safety sensors. No? So pag ongoing close po ng ating gate, pag nakadetect po siya ng obstruction, halimbawa po papasok yung ating sasakyan, is automatic pong mag-auto open yung ating gate para hindi po matamaan yung ating mga vehicles. Okay? So yan po yung ating smart gate from Home Automated PH. And if interested po to avail our smart gate system, message na kayo sa aming Facebook page or tawagan nyo kami dun sa number na naka-plus sa screen. Again, this is Engineer Arky from Home Automated PH. Empower your own.